The Lazy Crow and the Busy Sparrow. In a bustling forest, there lived a lazy crow named Clyde and an industrious sparrow named Sammy. Clyde loved nothing more than lounging in the shade of the tallest tree, while Sammy was always busy flitting from branch to branch, gathering food and building nests. One sunny morning, as Clyde snoozed lazily on his favorite branch, Sammy zoomed past, chirping cheerfully. "Hey Clyde, why don't you join me? There's so much to do and see," he called out. But Clyde just yawned and stretched his wings. "Nah, I'm good right here," he replied, settling back down for another nap. Undeterred, Sammy continued on his busy way, collecting twigs and leaves for his nest. As the day wore on, he watched as Clyde lazed about, doing nothing but dozing and dreaming. Eventually, Sammy finished his work and perched on a nearby branch. "Clyde, don't you ever get bored just sitting there?" he asked, curious. Clyde shrugged. "Not really. I'm quite content just taking it easy." Sammy shook his head in disbelief. "But there's so much to explore and discover in the forest. You're missing out on all the fun." Clyde chuckled. "Maybe you're right, Sammy. Maybe I'll join you tomorrow and see what all the fuss is about." The next day, true to his word, Clyde joined Sammy on his adventures. They explored every nook and cranny of the forest, discovering hidden treasures and meeting new friends along the way. By the end of the day, Clyde was exhausted but exhilarated. "Sammy, I had no idea how much fun being busy could be," he exclaimed, panting slightly. Sammy grinned. "See, Clyde? There's a whole world out there just waiting to be explored." From that day on, Clyde became a little less lazy and a lot more curious. He and Sammy continued to explore the forest together, embarking on new adventures and making memories that would last a lifetime. And as they soared through the treetops, their friendship grew stronger with each passing day, proving that even the laziest crow and the busiest sparrow can find common ground and make the most of every moment together.